Hi everyone! I'm here to unbox this two Kate Spade crossbody bag, and we'll see if what is much better or what is much cuter. So we start with this one. So I have here the Monica small bag, that small crossbody bag. Look at that. It has a pebbled leather. Okay, so oops, this is the strap. Okay, alisin na natin yung tag. Here we go. And then here's for the crossbody strap. Okay, so there's two option pala. So you can use it as a bag only, and then or crossbody bag. Okay. Because you can adjust the how long or kung ano yung ano sa ano mo. Okay. Look at that. Here we go. Come on. Let's remove all of this. We'll see the inside. Okay, here's the inside. It's pretty much spacious. Here we go. So there's one pocket inside, pretty much big if you have you know, cards or a small wallet. And then there's like a zippered one here inside where you can put your, you know, important things here, like your passport or ID. And then it has zipper also. So I like this one. You know, there's some of the crossbody bag don't have like a secret pocket. This one has a secret pocket with zipper and another one here. So that is okay. Here we go. So this is the Monica small crossbody bag. Cute, right? So I do believe this is like 7.9 inches. Okay, and then we have the other one. Okay, here's the other one. This is the Monica crossbody also, but the design is, it has it's a Monica Plop. Yeah, it's Monica. This is Monica Plop bag, like crossbody bag, flap crossbody bag. There you go. Cute, right? Okay, I'm gonna remove everything, even the tag, so that we can see clearly. There you go. There you go. Oh, this is actually much smaller if you compare it to Monica. I like the leather. It's cute. Okay, so adjustable again, so you can adjust to your own liking. Let's say kung tall ka, syempre medyo mahaba or something. Pero if you want to adjust, you can. Look at that. Right? Kasi natin to. Okay. And then inside, we'll see the inside. Nag-i-struggle ako. Here we go. You see that? spacious inside. Here you go. There's a secret pocket as well. I like this. It has a secret pocket, only one. This one, if you can compare, it has a secret pocket and then one more pocket here, but no zipper. But they have two inside. This is the Monica small bag, and this is the Monica Plop crossbody bag. Yung AC, lock na siya. Okay, here we go. So, both of them are pretty. Both of them are good. Both of them, I think I like them. So, I'm gonna use them both. Maybe I will use this one another day, and then this one, you know, on some other days. Or if you wanna travel. Yeah. This is more bigger space inside. And this is for the design. This one is for me is, I think, you know, mas cute siya kaysa here. Pero this one, if you will compare the storage inside, kung ano yung malalagay mo, parang mas marami here compare here. So you can put everything here, your wallet, your cell phone, you know, some small stuff, your makeup. Here also, but look the difference. Look at the difference. Okay, mas bigger this, mas bigger to. So, yeah. Do you think anong gusto nyo dito? So, that's it. Thank you.